If you are seeking financial freedom, this next 2 minutes can change your life. Hi, my name is Wanny Huynh. I'm an author, speaker, entrepreneur, and coach. When I was in my mid-30s, I found myself beaten, broken, and homeless. At that moment, I know something was wrong with me. You see, I was living in America, the land of opportunity, the land of abundance, and I was broke. On one hot summer day, I found myself sitting in the empty parking lot of a shopping center in my beaten, broken down car. I only had $1 to my name. In front of me was Caribou Coffee Shop. I couldn't afford a cup of coffee that day. I reach in my pant pocket and take out my last dollar bill. As I stare at my last dollar bill, I ask myself a very powerful question. How can I turn this dollar bill into $1 million? That question changed my life around. I make a promise that day to never let myself be in a situation again. I would never let myself starve unless it was by choice. I hate being broke. I wanted financial freedom. Freedom to buy a cup of coffee without having to worry about money. Freedom to buy a more reliable car. Freedom to enjoy a good meal. Freedom to do what I want to do without having to worry about money. That day, I began my transformation. I seek out ways on how to achieve financial freedom. After a decade of trial and error, I have found a system that works. In this free online course on how to achieve wealth in 5 easy steps, I will share with you what you need to do to create wealth for yourself. This was something I wish I would have known when I was starting out. It doesn't matter what your current situation is right now. Following those 5 easy steps that I have outlined in this free training can help you build great wealth and help you achieve financial freedom faster. All you need to do is click on the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.